In today's fast-paced digital world, the use of artificial intelligence AI tools has revolutionized the way we conduct business online. From automating tasks to analyzing data, AI tools offer a wide range of capabilities that can significantly impact our profitability. This is especially true when it comes to making money online quickly and efficiently. Imagine being able to earn $2,000 in just 24 hours by harnessing the power of AI tools. The promise of high earnings in a short amount of time is not only enticing but also achievable with the right strategies in place. In this video, we will guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to leverage AI tools effectively to reach this financial milestone. By following along with our tutorial, you will learn how to maximize the potential of AI tools to generate substantial profits in a short period. Get ready to unlock the secrets to making $2,000 in just 24 hours using the latest AI technologies. Step 1. Setting up the AI Tools platform. To kickstart your journey towards making $2,000 in 24 hours using AI tools, the first crucial step is to set up your account on a reputable platform like AI Profit. Begin by creating an account on the platform, ensuring that you provide accurate information to access all the features seamlessly. Once your account is set up, take some time to navigate through the platform's dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the various tools and features available to optimize your earning potential. Understanding how to utilize these tools effectively is key to maximizing your profits. Next, it's essential to connect your payment method securely to the platform. This step ensures smooth and secure transactions when you start generating income through the AI tools. By setting up your account, exploring the dashboard, and securing your payment method, you are laying the foundation for a successful venture into the world of AI-powered earnings. Step 2. Choosing the right AI tool for quick earnings. Selecting the appropriate AI tool is a critical step in your quest to earn $2,000 in just 24 hours. Begin by conducting thorough research to identify a high-performing AI tool that is known for generating quick profits. Look into factors such as user reviews, success rates, and ease of use to determine which tool aligns best with your financial goals. When evaluating different AI tools, consider how well they have performed for others in terms of generating income rapidly. User reviews can provide valuable insights into the tool's effectiveness and reliability. Additionally, assess the tool's success rates to gauge its potential for helping you reach your earnings target within the specified time frame. Furthermore, ensure that the AI tool you choose aligns with your skills and interests. Selecting a tool that resonates with your strengths and passions can enhance your performance and ultimately lead to optimal results. By carefully selecting the right AI tool, you are setting yourself up for success in achieving your $2,000 earnings goal. Step 3. Learning the AI tool functionalities. Now that you have chosen the right AI tool for quick earnings, it's time to dive into learning its functionalities to maximize your profit potential. Start by exploring the tutorials and guides offered by the AI tool platform. These resources are designed to help you understand how the tool works and how you can leverage its features effectively. To gain hands-on experience, practice using the tool in simulated environments provided by the platform. This allows you to familiarize yourself with the tool's capabilities and functionalities in a risk-free setting. By actively engaging with the tool, you can build confidence in utilizing it to generate income efficiently. Take the time to explore the various settings and customization options available within the AI tool. Understanding how to adjust these settings to suit your preferences and goals is essential for optimizing your earnings. By mastering the functionalities of the AI tool, you will be well equipped to embark on your journey towards making $2,000 in just 24 hours. Step 4. Implementing strategies for profit generation. As you progress in your journey to earn $2,000 in 24 hours using AI tools, it's crucial to implement effective strategies for profit generation. Begin by developing a clear plan or strategy for utilizing the AI tool to its full potential. Define your goals, target audience, and desired outcomes to guide your actions towards maximizing earnings. Experimentation is key to success when it comes to generating profits with AI tools. Try out different settings and approaches within the tool to identify the most effective strategies for increasing your income. By testing various methods, you can optimize your earnings and discover what works best for you. Continuously monitor the performance of the AI tool and track your progress towards your earnings goal. Be proactive in making adjustments as needed to enhance your profitability. By implementing strategic approaches, experimenting with different techniques, and staying vigilant in monitoring performance, you can increase your chances of reaching the 2,000 milestone within the specified time frame. Step 5. Executing the profit-generating process. Now that you have laid the groundwork and honed your strategies, it's time to execute the profit-generating process using the AI tool. Follow the step-by-step instructions provided by the platform to ensure you are utilizing the tool effectively for maximum earnings potential. Engage actively with the AI tool to capitalize on every opportunity to generate income within the 24-hour time frame. Stay focused and dedicated to the profit-generating tasks at hand, keeping your eyes on the prize of reaching the $2,000 goal. By immersing yourself in the profit-generating process and maintaining a high level of engagement, you can increase your chances of success in achieving your financial target. Remember to adhere to the guidelines set forth by the AI tool platform. Stay committed to your objectives and put forth your best efforts to make the most of this opportunity to earn $2,000 in just 24 hours. Step 6. Monitoring and evaluating earnings progress. As you navigate through the profit-generating process using AI tools, it's essential to monitor and evaluate your earnings progress to ensure you are on track to reach your $2,000 goal. Regularly check your earnings dashboard on the AI tool platform to stay informed about your income levels and performance. Take the time to analyze the data and performance metrics provided by the platform to track your progress accurately. By reviewing these insights, you can identify trends, patterns, and areas of improvement that can help you optimize your earnings strategy. Be proactive in adjusting your strategies based on the data analysis to enhance your profitability. Identify any weaknesses or inefficiencies in your approach and make the necessary changes to improve your earnings potential. By monitoring and evaluating your earnings progress diligently, you can stay focused on your goal and make informed decisions to maximize your chances of achieving $2,000 in just 24 hours.